Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Trade Republic how to deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to deposit, what you need to do is open up your Trade Republic app. And once you open up the app, you'll be seeing this kind of interface, right? Now, on the top, you'll be seeing your available amount. Now, in order to add an amount, what you need to do is tap on this option that says transfer, right? Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here, you'll be seeing these two options, that is add and send. Simply tap on add. And once you tap on add here, you'll be provided with these three options, that is your credit card, Google Pay and bank transfer. Now what you need to do is select an option that is preferable for you. For example, let's say you have selected the bank transfer amount. Simply tap on that, and here this information will be shown right to you. Tap on next and then enter in the amount. Tap on deposit, and that's basically how you can deposit in Trade Republic. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.